He runs.
He runs.
He walks.
He walks.
He talks.
He talks.
He drinks.
He drinks.
He smiles.
He smiles.
He laughs.
He laughs.
He cries.
He cries.
He sings.
He sings.
He plays basketball.
He plays basketball.
He jumps.
He jumps.
He climbs.
He climbs.
He swims.
He swims.
He throws.
He throws.
He catches.
He catches.
He kicks.
He kicks.
He hits.
He hits.
He pushes.
He pushes.
He pulls.
He pulls.
He carries.
He carries.
He lifts.
He lifts.
He bends.
He bends.
He stretches.
He stretches.
He jogs.
He jogs.
He dives.
He dives.
He falls.
He falls.
He stands.
He stands.
He brushes his teeth.
He brushes his teeth.
He combs his hair.
He combs his hair.
He shaves.
He shaves.
He showers.
He showers.
He washes his face.
He washes his face.
He dresses.
He dresses.
He irons his clothes.
He irons his clothes.
He tidies his room.
He tidies his room.
He makes the bed.
He makes the bed.
He washes dishes.
He washes dishes.
He calls.
He calls.
He texts.
He texts.
He emails.
He emails.
He whispers.
He whispers.
He yells.
He yells.
He argues.
He argues.
He discusses.
He discusses.
He explains.
He explains.
He asks questions.
He asks questions.
He answers.
He answers.
He worries.
He worries.
He relaxes.
He relaxes.
He enjoys.
He enjoys.
He loves.
He loves.
He hates.
He hates.
He gets angry.
He gets angry.
He feels happy.
He feels happy.
He feels sad.
He feels sad.
He feels tired.
He feels tired.
He feels excited.
He feels excited.
He thinks that.
He thinks that.
He learns English.
He learns English.
He decides.
He decides.
He plans.
He plans.
He remembers.
He remembers.
He forgets.
He forgets.
He solves problems.
He solves problems.
He imagines.
He imagines.
He dreams.
He dreams.
He paints.
He paints.
He draws.
He draws.
He writes stories.
He writes stories.
He takes photos.
He takes photos.
He goes fishing.
He goes fishing. He goes hiking.
He goes hiking. He rides a bike.
He rides a bike.
He plays video games.
He plays video games.
He watches movies.
He watches movies.
He listens to music.
He listens to music.
He greets to music.
He greets to music. He waves.
He waves. He hugs.
He hugs.
He shakes hands.
He shakes hands.
He kisses.
He kisses.
He says goodbye.
He says goodbye.
He makes friends.
He makes friends.
He meets new people.
He meets new people.
He helps others.
He helps others.
He volunteers.
He volunteers.
He attends meetings.
He attends meetings.
He types emails.
He types emails.
He makes calls.
He makes calls.
He writes reports.
He writes reports.
He organizes files.
He organizes files.
He gives presentations.
He gives presentations.
He leads a team.
He leads a team.
He fixes problems.
He fixes problems.
He builds things.
He builds things.
He designs.
He designs.
He gardens.
He gardens.
He plants flowers.
He plants flowers.
He mows the lawn.
He mows the lawn.
He waters plants.
He waters plants.
He picks fruits.
He picks fruits.
He sets goals.
He sets goals.
He flies a kite.
He flies a kite.
He completes tasks.
He completes tasks.
He explores nature.
He explores nature.
He climbs trees.
He climbs trees.
He eats breakfast.
He eats breakfast. He eats lunch.
He eats lunch. He eats dinner.
He eats dinner.
He takes a nap.
He takes a nap.
He rests.
He rests.
He exercises.
He exercises.
He does yoga.
He does yoga.
He takes notes.
He takes notes. He travels.
He travels.
He books tickets.
He books tickets.
He prays.
He prays.
He goes shopping.
He goes shopping.
He buys groceries.
He buys groceries.
He orders food.
He orders food.
He compares prices.
He compares prices.
He pays bills.
He pays bills.
He tries on clothes.
He tries on clothes.
He chooses products.
He chooses products.
He returns items.
He returns items.
He makes a list.
He makes a list.
He saves money.
He saves money.
He writes poems.
He writes poems. He composes music.
He composes music. He plays the guitar.
He plays the guitar.
He sculpts.
He sculpts.
He designs clothes.
He designs clothes.
He makes crafts.
He makes crafts.
He sews.
He sews.
He edits videos.
He edits videos.
He makes animations.
He makes animations.